guys, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther, and in today's video it is all about this beautiful unit from Xrsbeauty. Now this is their new clear lace and clean hairline. It is a body wave 13x6 lace front wig, undetectable skin melt human hair lace. Now this is a 18-inch unit and is 200 density, so it is a thick one. I am obsessed with the hairline. I'm obsessed with how they plucked the unit. I mean, when I tell y'all this unit is fire, it's fire. You guys are going to see me rock this unit today, and I'm excited to show you guys the full tutorial. Now this unit does come with a comb at the back, adjustable strap, extra lace if you want to throw this unit in a low to high ponytail, and 2 combs on the side and 1 in the middle. Now I usually do take those combs off only because they irritate me. Now I have here their newest lace, which is clear, as well as their transparent lace. Now I'm just laying the transparent lace on my wet arm that has got to be spray on it, so you guys can kind of see the difference. And oh my goodness, y'all, I am so obsessed, like obsessed. I am getting into hair and learning more about different lace and all that good stuff. So the fact that this is a clear lace and then you guys see the transparent lace is such a huge difference. You guys can see that the clear lace melts into my skin like melts into my skin like butter and the transparent lace, you can really see the difference, that it is just not melting into the skin like the clear lace. Now a lot of you guys love transparent lace, but when you put the transparent lace with the clear lace next to each other, there's a huge difference. I am obsessed with this lace, and overall this unit, you guys, it's to back up a little bit so you guys can see the lace farther back, and it just looks very bomb, and obviously you guys can see the difference. So I am grabbing my powder foundation and applying this all over the lace. This is the easiest way to tint the lace. I'm telling y'all, once y'all tint your lace, y'all gonna match your skin tones and it's going to look so much more natural. So I never skip this part. Sometimes I have a I think it's from Eben. It's a spray, like a tinted spray bottle. I can't even remember the name. I usually do that and then I apply the foundation, the powder foundation. But today I wanted to skip that step and just apply the powder foundation. Now this is me with the unit on, and I mean, let's get into that hairline. Let's get into this unit. It is beautiful. Do you see how like it melts down? And I haven't even glued the unit down. It looks so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into cutting the lace off this unit. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 spray bottles that got to be glue and also the Lace Academy melting spray. Now I use the got to be glue first because this is going to act as my glue. Now I could use the Lace Academy spray on its own, but I wanted to keep this unit on my head for a few days, so using both of them really did the job for me. So now I'm grabbing the Lace Academy. This is going to really melt your lace into your skin, honey. Okay, everyone needs this Lace Academy spray. It is going to melt that girl down, so it's going to look so much more natural and realistic, in my opinion. That Lace Academy stuff is so bomb, like it's fire. I'm gonna link it for you guys, so hopefully it's not sold out because it's always sold out, but it's really a good lace spray. Like seriously, what lace? What lace? I want to know. It's gone, right? It's gone. It's not there. Oh my gosh, this unit is so bomb for you ladies who want a unit that like it's done. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is just melt the lace down. This unit will be perfect, especially if you're new to the wig world and want everything to be already completed for you. This will be a unit for you to grab. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start styling this unit, but first I have to create my parting space. I was debating whether to do a middle part or a side part, so I went ahead and just went with the side part, and I am so obsessed with how natural this unit looks on my head. It is perfect. The hairline is just too natural to be real right now. Now, like I mentioned in the beginning, this is their new clear lace wig. The construction on this unit allows the lace to melt into your skin along the hairline to look more natural. Also, the clear lace creates a more even, seamless look than traditional lace front wigs. And this is why I am obsessed with this unit. This is actually I think my third time getting my hands on the new clear lace. And I have to say it's probably one of my favorite lace to rock. Only because it just looks more natural and realistic. And I'll keep saying natural, realistic in this video because that's the only thing I can say about this unit. It just looks so good. I can't stop looking at that lace. That's why every time I rock this unit, people be really staring at that lace like, wow, it looks so good. So for styling in today's video, I wanted to bring that wand curl out because I've been doing curls lately with my straightener. So this wand curls truly did the job. I loved how the curls turned out. And y'all know I don't like perfect curls on this channel. So during this video, after I'm done curling this unit out, I use my fingers to just run my hands in that unit to open up those curls so I can get that perfect, sexy, wavy look. You guys are gonna see that in a few minutes, like right now. So I'm running my fingers through that unit, opening them curls, and the unit is extremely soft. It does not shed much at all. That's another reason why I love Xrsbeauty units. They're just amazing quality. So as always, all the details to this beautiful unit will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. Check out Xrsbeauty Hair. They have different units. This is not their only one. If you don't like this one, they have other ones that you might enjoy and love. So I will link everything in the description box and all the information that you need to know about this unit. I love you guys so much. Naupenda sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.